We are in Pavilion Bukit Bintang in Kuala Lumpur today, heading down to the food court, to the first floor or ground floor, maybe first floor, for having a lunch. Today is our last day in Malaysia, guys. We stay here for 3 weeks. And tomorrow we are flying to the another country for 3 months or maybe more.
So yeah, we will fly to Thailand soon. I'm super excited. I've never been there before. So yeah, we will stay there for 3 months. Last time we already got our visa. So yeah, I don't know, I just speechless. I'm super excited.
So if you go to the first floor, there is the food options everywhere around, like a fast foods here, of course, like a KFC, Burger King and Krispy Kreme and all of the stuff. And then you go inside where is the Cold Stone, and then you can find like a Food Republic and so many Asian cuisines. But they're also selling the Western foods and everything. Let's have a look today. It's 2:30 p.m. currently, but each day we are coming more often. It's more busier because the Chinese New Year is coming. So I think more people are having a holidays or more time, or I don't know, it's just simply getting more crowded here. Also many people who are working here around of Bukit Bintang Pavilion coming here for a lunch. Also, I believe many office workers. Okay, and we're gonna find some food for us today. I think the little walk is very nice because they have rice and they have noodles, but they also have Thai cuisines here, Japanese cuisines, Dubai cuisines, and Western, I think, as well somewhere here. But check this out. So busy today, so happy to see that. Of course, they have a nasi kandar, Korean cuisines, they have a vegetarian cuisine. However, vegetarian is probably the less popular here because not so many people, but still. So vegetarian, if you are in Vega, you have it. Also, they have a Marrakesh. So the food from Marrakesh, like this one with the nice grills. And that's what they have it inside with the prices. Look at this one, it's actually so cool, Marrakesh food. Even they have like a traditional pots or something. Western cuisine as well, in case if you like to, with the dishes like this one. And the prices are like this one also. Many options. You can have a salmon or you can have a lamb chop or something like that. Then you have Yong Tau Fo. I don't know what is it, but this looks like a hot pot. You choose whatever you like and they're gonna cook it forever. Whatever you like, however you like. This is also very popular in Malaysia. Like this one, pretty cool. And then you have a desserts option and drink section. And then you have a Dubai cuisines over here also with the Dubai foods like this one. So cool, actually looking very nice and very tempting. And then you have a Japanese cuisines with the dishes like this one and with the prices like this one as well, like on the screen. So many nice interesting stuffs here. And then we have a little walk. I think this is our selection for today. Little walk with the rice and me. So I can go with the noodles because I'm more into noodle person, and Cyan can go into rice like this one. Many options, yeah. Then we have a Thai cuisines as well. Why not? Everything is actually here. So the cuisines from any kind of other countries. Melayu Padang also here if you're interested into Padang food. However, I didn't see the Vietnamese food. That's actually very surprising me. They have a Al Halabi shawarma in case if you would like to have it in the food court. Baked cheese tarts and Auntie's Anne is here, and there is some bakery. Of course, they also have a proper restaurants in case if you would like to have a more into restaurant rather than the, just the food court. This is the Lavender. Auntie's Anne is not happy when I'm filming them, so I cannot show you Auntie's Anne how they are making the pretzels. However, the rest they don't mind. And the Lavender looks like this one. Lavender have a nice bakery. Last time we had something here very nice, like a nice donuts. Look at this one, very nice bakery. Actually, the breads in Malaysia are very nice, and you can have a selection of very nice pastries and buns and stuff like this one. I really like the chocolate donuts there with the cream. Nice, so much. And even they have a Jco what is in Indonesia. So funny, but they have it here as well. And yeah, and Thai restaurant, actually like a proper Thai restaurant. Like I said, not only food court here, because you can have also very nice restaurants here like this one, the Thai one, or you can have a bird papa as well with the lovely puff. I really like them as well. Very good stuff. Only premium stuff here, but very good one. And famous something like a cookie stuff like this one. And at the front is Mercato, which is the supermarket also. In case if you're interested where to shop, you can find everything in one mall. This is Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. And as we already here, we're gonna take 2 donuts, 3 donuts actually, but 3 different types of donuts. Shouldn't be more than 10 ringgits in total. They also have a nice baguettes and croissants and Danish and well, actually really a lot of nice breads here.
This is it, our food. I order, kway teow beef and Damian fried noodle something, one set. And this one lychee drink and Damian also order Pepsi. And we also have a dessert. All cost us around 54 ringgits. Still affordable, nice. All right, we just had our lunch basically and now it's coffee time. Well, we have been here for 3 weeks and what is our most favorite place or favorite mall so far? This one, Pavilion Bukit Bintang.
Pavilion Bukit Bintang is the most favorite place in Malaysia. That's without any doubts. Check this out, this lovely bunny with the lucky ampao moving up and up. We're still looking for our home base. We don't know where we're gonna stay for a longer while. However, that's it for today's video from Malaysia. Thank you so much, Malaysia, for having us here. Yes, please, you can go. It's okay, no worries. Yeah, it's hard to making videos in the malls, you know what I mean? And welcome Bangkok tomorrow. I hope so. I will see many of you tomorrow. See ya, take care. Thank you so much.